Hello everyone, in this video we would like to show how to remove the head unit in the Volkswagen Golf MK7, which is the generation between 2013 and 2017. And yeah, this Golf MK7 is 2017 model, and it's fairly simple to remove it. We recommend to use two of these two, the small plastic trim remover tool and the bigger and thicker one. So what we start is, we can start from the side here, slide this one in, and after that you use the bigger one, slide in and push it forward like this, and actually this one easily come out, even though that the bottom of those one has the plastic locked up by the air conditioner control, but when you use this one and pop it, it actually comes out by itself. And we do the same thing, use the big one, the small one slide in, and the big one do this, and this whole piece will pop out. And the same thing we do on the right side, and thing pop out because it just clip behind. And after that you lift this one and look from the bottom up. You see there's one connector over there for the emergency button. Just unclip it, and then you can move the interface out easy like this. And you can see that it is locked in to the part behind by all the clip here. Clip in, okay, clip in and clip all around. And now for this LCD, it actually is locked in by the kind of European lock side lock style. So the bottom one, two of them, just slide the two that it looks similar, something like this in the front. You can buy it and you can make it and slide two of them in, and you can pull the bottom out. The top is a little bit different. They are fairly simpler, and the top doesn't need that slide thing. It just to use any small tool that slide this pin, okay, and like a small flat screwdriver, you can push this pin on the side, and the other pin you push it on the side, and this head will come out easily, okay. So let's do it. Yep, just easy. Two pin on the top here, slide, and then it comes out, and you can see the LCD here has two connector at the back end. Just we need to unplug later. And now for the main thing of the controller unit, is over there inside the glove box, and you do the same thing. At the bottom it has two sliding two sliding slot here that you slide the two in, and it will bring this one out easily. And from here we can see that it had the wiring at the back end and some connector which you need to undo the quad lock and undo the other connector. So yep, that's the way you actually work on the MK7 models, and this one is 2017. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.